This staggering 5-bedroom residence has undergone a custom renovation with one thing in mind: complete family comfort for day-to-day living, all the while soaking in unobstructed panoramic views over Lake Macquarie. Your search for resort-style living in Eleebana is over. Welcome to 22 Pannamena Crescent. I'm Matt from Stone Real Estate. Let's take a look.